What's up everyone? Coop here with Hunting Carolinas. Tonight I'm going to show you how to breast a dove. Right, just got done with a killer dove hunt with Perry's Emporium. Josh and Alan Perry put on a great hunt. They're huge supporters of the Reason Outdoors. I also do some other work with them, and they have some of the most killer jewelry in Wilmington. These guys are awesome. They hosted a dove hunt for all their clients today, and it was just fantastic. The first time to be afield for the fall season, right? I shot 8 doves. I am not the best wingmaster or shotgunner in the world, but so I'll take it. 8 doves, right? 8 doves. So very simple, right? How do you breast a dove, right? First, I'm gonna twist off the wings, right? Like so. 1 wing, right? 2 wings, right? Then I'm gonna peel off a bunch of the feathers, right, and skin on the breast, like so, okay, right? I'm gonna get a bunch of that off there, all right? Then I'm simply gonna take my finger and reach under the breastbone, and I'm just gonna pull out and away, and the whole breast is gonna come free, all right? Rest of the corpse, I'm gonna get rid of it, right? And then from here, all I've got to do is clean up the breast a little bit. I'm gonna take it inside. I'm gonna rinse it off. Look at that breast right there. That is amazing, right? I'm gonna clean off the breast. I'm gonna bring it to the family to eat, and it is gonna be a delicious little treat. 8 doves, just enough for some appetizers, but it's gonna be amazing. Look at that dove breast right there, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be great. All right. And remember, right? So this is how I, Coop in Hunting Carolinas, how I breast the dove. Remember, this isn't the only way, but it is the Hunting Carolinas way. Stay tuned for next time. Have a good one.